Okay, so welcome to my drive-through here of Jumeirah Park. We are just passing the shops here, the pavilion with Starbucks, the supermarket, and you've got the Dubai British School there on my left. And we are driving in the direction of JLT, Jumeirah Lake Towers, in the distance. You can see that tall tower. So this is one of the districts in Jumeirah Park. This is District 5. This is actually the most in-demand district because it's so close to the school here and also very, very central. So you're not near the cables, you're not near any of the main roads. But I just really wanted to do a little drive through one of the districts, give you an idea of how Jumeirah Park looks. So we're just gonna show you. Here we go. This is District 5 and here is the school here, the British School. And District 5 is actually where I do have an open house this week. I have a fabulous fully renovated villa for sale. So if you go to one of the earlier videos that I've just made live a couple of days ago, me swimming in the pool, and you will see a bit more detail about that villa. So check out Jumeirah Parks. This is what I love. You've got all these lovely green parks. It's very quiet here. They're all detached villas. These were all built by Nakil over 12 years ago now. And a lot of people are buying these and renovating them. And what we all love so much about an area like Jumeirah Park is that you have a large plot, lots of large plot areas for your gardens. And also, of course, that they're fully detached villas as well. I am just realizing I'm going straight into the sun here, so it's not as easy for you to see some villas. So let's drive down here and give you an idea of what a normal street looks like in Jumeirah Park. And here we go, you can see. So you've got, like here you've got what began maybe as 3 or 4 bedroom villas and have now become 5, or even, you know, some people have renovated them to be even larger. So when I say a detached villa, it means you can get outside to the garden from both sides. So some of these you can get through the garage as well. These are smaller villas here. If you see the street here, there's also, if you check out down here, for example, there's a walkway through all the way to other districts as well. So it's just really, really nice. Now, Jumeirah Park doesn't have 24-hour security gates. However, you don't really need those because, I mean, Dubai is a very safe country and city, after all. So it is more, you know, just something else that's part of a community here. Really, really nice. So this is near sunset. And I just wanted to really give you an idea. There's lots of off-street parking here. And, you know, people can wander around with kids and dogs. Just seems really, really nice as a neighbourhood. So if you want more details on villas we have for sale in Jumeirah Park, or perhaps in other communities, and you're sitting watching this video, from overseas, and you know, it's all very well seeing listings online, but you don't know how these villas actually look until you actually see videos such as these to give you a feel for what the streets look like. You know, how does it look, the space between villa to villa? And these are also mature trees. So if you're somebody that, you know, and I get some clients saying, I don't want one of these newer areas, I want a mature area, then you are probably best matched with something like Jumeirah Park. So I have got an open house this week. You can come and check inside a villa that has been fully renovated. It's ready to go. Really stunning job the owners have done, and it's in this district. So this is, as I say, the best of all districts, District 5. So those who don't know, there's a massive up, well then you can now buy that house ready to go. So get in touch with me in the description on this video below is all my details, and I'm here to help you. I've lived in Dubai 13 years, I'm a property owner myself, and I'm here to help you next. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.